Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
And warm welcome to today's function. I welcome you on behalf of entire Maruti Suzuki team. Myself, Arun Bhati, commercial business head for West Zone Arena channel, along with entire Maruti Suzuki team and our dealerships team, all three dealerships, Sai Service, Chogle and Sai Point. We warmly welcome you and thank you for taking out time. Today we are taking this great initiative to enhance the CNG penetration for Goa, which is not just beneficial for customers, but also beneficial for environment and overall economy. So I'll warmly welcome for that. Let me give you some outlook about the Goa market and Maruti Suzuki. As you are aware, Maruti Suzuki is operating since last 40 years. We have sold more than 3 crore cars, and CNG is one of our key initiatives. As an OEM, we launched CNG car as early as 2010. So, and today we have a strong lineup of 14 models. So, including not just passenger cars in Arena and Nexa, but also the commercial vehicles, small commercial vehicles, super carry. So, total 14 product, maximum across any OEM, and especially in West Zone, which is essentially Bombay, Goa, and Gujarat and Maharashtra. Our retail is approximately as high as 70% of CNG models. So CNG not just a great economy, but also very safe and environmental friendly, and therefore not just our company, but government, local state governments also promote it, and we thank both the companies. Goa Natural Gas Limited, Zafar Saab, I think we started interaction 3-4 months back, and thank you for the support. In fact, I was briefing Mr. Zafar that how with the GAIL in the other market like Karnataka also, we had the same initiative. I also thank Sachin Pathare ji with Indian Oil Adani Gas. They have also taken this initiative to support to give this benefit to customer. Apart from that, let's also look at what we are offering to the Goa's customer. We have a very strong sales and service network across Goa. Total 75 touch points. So customers' convenience is very high, and customers' belief is very high in Maruti cars. That's why we have over the years maintained very high market share in this market. As far as CNG is concerned, we are seeing a steady progress in CNG acceptance in Goa market. In fact, last year of the passenger car industry, less than 2% was CNG. And this year I am saying that this penetration has increased till August to 6.7%. Like all OEMs selling cars, approximately 6.7% of the total car are CNG. This gives us great confidence and to take this initiative forward. Goa is quite a mature market, and in terms of car penetration, and if the CNG penetration increases, it benefits everyone. So with this outlook on what Maruti Suzuki is offering, and again thanking Mr. Zafar and Mr. Sachin Pathare for their extending this support, not just for Maruti Suzuki but to the customers who will be benefited by this particular scheme. So again, warm welcome and thank you very much for coming.
This scheme is valid from 1st September 2024 to December 31st, 2024. We are most thankful to Goa Natural Gas Private Limited and Indian Oil Adani Gas Private Limited for launching such a fabulous offer for the customers here in the state of Goa, and I'm sure this will definitely play a crucial role in making a better and a greener tomorrow. I would request Chief Executive Officer of Goa Natural Gas, Mr. Mohammad Zafar Khan, to please say a few words.
Of course, this Goa Drive Games was the campaign I started almost, I remember, 2 years back. When I was looking forward to come forward some more of the people to put some more CNG station, so that visibility of this scheme or visibility of the availability of CNG station could be more and more in the Goa. I am happy to share that now at least I will be happy to drive this uh, campaign by making this scheme available to all of you. And I am really thankful to the Maruti Suzuki that they have initiated, and this scheme would going to be beneficial for both of us. In fact, the most beneficial to the customers who will be purchasing the car, but at the same time, it will be beneficial for the Maruti itself and as well as Goa Natural Gas also, because this will be the win-win situation. They are providing the vehicles CNG fitted, and we are responsible for the commitment of the supply of the CNG as much as possible within the state of the Goa. So this scheme, Goa Drive Greens, I hope is going to be a massive upliftment of the CNG progress, CNG sale in the Goa. And in fact, this kind of launching or something, we can make it more visible and more advantageous to the customer when we have such kind of privilege to share such kind of scheme to the customer. In fact, when I came July 21 in Goa after transfer from my corporate office, it was very much not very visible that people are aware about the CNG stations or availability of natural gas. So I am happy to share that this time, after a span of 3 years, my company Goa Natural Gas is in a position to operate almost 7 CNG stations operational, and out of 7, one is the online station directly connected to the pipeline, and we have our robust supply system from the GAIL pipeline network, and we are already having a plan to 4 more CNG stations to be commissioned anytime, maybe from September onward to December. Out of that 4 more stations, our total station would be operational in Goa would be around 11. And we are targeting to have out of 11 at least 4 stations to be operational on the direct connected online system. So you may be benefit that you may be aware that online stations have better visibility, better supply and better supply some system availability at that point of time. And I am also happy to share that apart from that, this company Goa Natural Gas is also providing close to 5,000 gas household kitchens and 31 almost we are supplying local industries in Goa, North Goa and Ponda, and 37 commercial establishments are also using. So I would like to just brief you that this company has got a commitment to supply the gas, and what Swati was telling that we were having 2% share at least at that point of now it is going to be 6%. So this is definitely going to change the supply system, and we are committed as Goa Natural Gas. I can assure you that once more and more visibility will be there in the sale of the passenger cars CNG fitted, we are also committed to have visibility to bring availability of CNG in the state of Goa to the fullest possible extent. And I am sure that the plan we have in next 2 years, 3 years, we are going to have the visibility of more people, more commitment of the CNG availability of CNG station in the state of Goa, and which will help to cater the requirement when we have a more sale of the passenger cars CNG fitted. Because you know the CNG, why we are looking for the CNG fitted car, why are not going forward in any others. So of course there is challenges also from EV and CNG, but the CNG vehicles will continue, as you know that this is going to be one of the cleaner fuel, and the availability are also going to improve. So with hope that more and more CNG vehicles available, more CNG stations available, the life and pollution, everything will be a very good environment for the protection of the Goa. Environment will be highly protected in the state of Goa. Almost it is a luxury, you can say the tourist place where people come all the way from the Delhi and Mumbai to have some kind of relaxation. And with this availability of the CNG car and availability of natural gas, this environment position of Goa will be highly good. And today also you can say that the Goa environment position is very good. But to continue and to sustain it, we need something to be more on focused on the usage of the natural gas to meet the government of India's commitment when we are driving our target to make it. As of now, only 6.5% gas being used in the whole energy basket. The target is to bring it to 15%. So that could be possible only we start using in various segments like CNG, industries, commercial, and everywhere in domestic. So with this, sir, I hope this could be a beneficial scheme, and I hope this could be a win-win situation for both of us. And as a Goa Natural Gas, I can assure you that the availability of CNG and availability of CNG station would likely to be grow more, and it will be a good support from the Goa Natural Gas to make the CNG available all across the North Goa and Pune. With this, I will not take much time. Thank you for organizing this program, for making this more and more visibility for market availability of CNG station as well as vehicle passenger cars available for the Goa sales. Thank you.
As a representative of Indian Oil Adani Gas Private Limited, first let me introduce who is Indian Oil Adani Gas. So Indian Oil Adani Gas is joint venture between Indian Oil, which is Maharatna company supplying conventional fuels, and Adani Gas is a pioneer in supplying the CGD gas business. And currently, as sir said, India's currently the gas-based consumption is 6.7% of our energy basket, which our government of India is targeting to increase to 15%, because as of now, whatever the oil we are using, which is 80% of our consumption, 80% of our consumption is on imported oil. Whereas for gas, it is 50%. Currently, the 50% gas is domestic gas. And to have this sustainable future, our Indian government is trying to push as many as CGD networks throughout the India. And also Indian Oil Adani Gas is present in 22 districts across India, supplying at 19 GS similar to South Goa. And in South Goa, we are supplying pipe gas to industries, commercial connections, and also residential, where we are giving environment friendly, more cleaner, safe and reliable gas to our residents of Goa. Whereas if I say about CNG, CNG is more cleaner than conventional fuels, which is reducing carbon emissions, and that is also another target of Government of India. And to push this, government is trying various things to increase CNG consumption. As sir rightly said, in Goa also the sales of this CNG vehicles is increasing from 2% to 6%. So we are also looking for that growth, and to accelerate that growth, we came together and see that whether we can start this initiative as early as possible. So with this joint focus, both CGD companies operating in Goa, along with the largest CNG seller in Goa, so we are tied up to propagate, accelerate this penetration of CNG market in Goa, and we see more support from all our dealer partners to increase this penetration as early as possible. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your words.
I would like to thank Indian Oil Adani Gas Private Limited and Goa Natural Gas Private Limited for this very good initiative for the first time in Goa to promote green fuel for a better tomorrow. We are hopeful that this will give our vehicle a boost in sales and increase our sales in Goa state. Also, not only the sales but a better tomorrow and a better environment. Goa always has been proved as a good environment, healthy environment, and we continue to do that. And thank you, sir, thank you for this initiation. And I would like to thank Maruti Udyog, Suzuki to help and look at this initiative to take in Goa. Thank you, sir, thank you very much. And thank you, press, for getting this to many people today. I know we are live and this will help us to boost our sales. Thank you very much.
Yeah, good morning, very good morning to all of you. Well, I take this opportunity to thank Indian Oil, Adani Gas and Goa Natural Gas. It's been a very important day for us today. Definitely this is going to a long way in promoting CNG vehicles in Goa. And I'm sure with the initiative of opening of new pumps and additional pumps, I think more customers would be encouraged to go in for CNG. And which of course is a good initiative for Goa Driving Green campaign, and which is very much in line with the objectives of the government. And once again, I thank Maruti and Goa Natural Gas and Indian Oil Adani Gas for giving us this opportunity. And definitely with this offers, it's going to be a great initiative and hoping for the best. So once again, I thank all of you. Thank you.
Good day to all. Well, I'm quite left with nothing more to say, but thank you to everyone. It's been an absolute pleasure having all of you here today. This initiative that has been launched is only going to get the structure that we have more stronger. Our reach to customers are going to be even more better. We'll have more ingrown roads with the CNG participation. So, I mean, vote of thanks are in order. So, thank you to Indian Oil, Adani Gas Private Limited, and Goa Natural Gas. This gives us a lot of potential to see more customers with greater demand. I want to just end it by saying thank you to our Maruti officials who made this possible for us. I think what is not said is very important, is that there is a huge network of people that help us achieve the goals we set out to, and giving that benefit to the customers is very critical. So the network is something that I really look forward to. Thank you for them. And to the press, thank you for being here on short notice. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much.